everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today is a beautiful day. We are taking the 765 LT to Cannonball Garage, where our 2,000 horsepower GTR is. Let's get this bad boy warmed up and let's get ready to go.
Before we head out, I just wanted to take 1 second to appreciate this paint. The Pius Spark is so money. Look at this, dude. It's so hot.
Let me put a flashlight on for you guys.
Natalia's like, look at this right here. Look at this right here in their
see this
shadow.
beautiful paint right
Look how
here
amazing
in the
that
shadow?
looks right there. He like walks over. No, but for real, this, chef's kiss. Let's go.
Dude, put the wing up.
That's a flaccid wing.
That's a flaccid wing. You want to drag race the 765?
You know what? I was thinking about it, and I'm like, it's not even fair because the rolls is so fast. We should do it after the 765s. I feel like that car is like so much quieter next to it. When I'm driving that car, it sounds so loud and amazing. And like the Senna, when you're driving it, sounds quiet when you're in it, but outside the car, it's so loud. And that one's the opposite. It's like, it almost sounds like tame driving next to it. I'm pumped for the exhaust. It's gonna sound crazy.
Beautiful 45-degree day here.
Natalia, you are driving like a Polish grandma, man. Let me drive, man, okay?
She belongs on the rolls. Grandma. You are a grandma looking at.
You want me to do a burnout?
Yes. Duh.
How to do burnout?
Do a burnout, man. Or let me drive, I'll do burnout.
I'm gonna drive the LT because it just looks too good and I love it. And Natalia just belongs in like a Russian mobster rolls. What Natalia doesn't know is there's a button right here you press. Bailey, you wanna get this? It says manual. Natalia doesn't know how to drive manual, but in an automatic car, it doesn't mean like a 6-speed. So you just press that, and then you downshift to second. Like that.
Jesus. This thing handles kind of nice in these turns.
It does. This car really is a nice car. We just did the LT review. I love this thing. Like, it is such a good car. It's so fast. Not a cop. LOL. Okay. Sorry, officer.
Jesus.
That's quick, man.
Yeah. No, this
I like
car
this
is.
car.
You don't think, like, you don't know how fast you're going in this car because it's smooth.
No, it's like similar to the Bugatti in that way, because this car is super, like the Senna is so rough that if you're going fast, you feel like you're going fast. And this car, it's kind of like a mix between the Senna and the Bugatti, where it's super comfy, but it is so freaking fast.
Yeah.
It's amazing. I love this car. I think all the time that if I were to steal a car from Steve and drive to Mexico, which car would it be? And like as of this week, I think it's this one. Like if I were to just grab a car and just dip, this is a nice option.
This is the car.
This might be the car.
Dude.
That's pretty quick. Am I in track? I am in track. That was only 35 too. It feels so much faster than that. That's crazy. I had to get donuts for the guys at Cannonball because they're such homies. Arnie actually holds the world record for the Cannonball. You know that? The owner of Cannonball Garage owns the world record for the Cannonball. That's crazy. Anyways, he likes donuts, and so does Jordan, and they're homies, so I got him donuts.
What a nice guy. What a nice guy.
They do good work. They do good work. Go check out Cannonball Garage. The homies at Cannonball, they're gonna make this car fast because it's slow.
Dude, you just rip it.
No, I don't want to.
Get on it.
Nah.
Come on, get on it.
Nah.
Jesus, bro.
I love
There's donuts. You lost the donuts.
No, the donuts! I was telling Steve, so he was saying that he wants more like cars that he can fit his kids in, like supercars. I'm like, dude, get an FF, do a wide body, and slam it. How sick would that look? Check this out.
I agree.
A wide body FF
wide body
would be
FF?
insane. We can straight pipe it. It's a front engine V12 Ferrari. That would be so crazy. You guys, please, for real, help me here. Steve has been not listening to me. I need you guys to back me up. Just kidding. He does listen to me, but he doesn't. He likes to play hard to get. But comment, tell him to get a freaking FF, dude. This building looks so sick. This is the coolest looking garage ever.
Black.
They just, yeah, it is Natalia's favorite building in the world.
My favorite color. I love black.
building.
I like
It is. Like, it is pretty dope though. For like a garage, and you open this door, there's just a million McLarens and GTRs in there. It's so sick. See how this little snorkel shoots down into the engine, like through the interior of the cabin. There's like a tube.
That's sick.
Look how tube it is, man. That's crazy, man.
How's it going? All right. How you doing, bro?
Is there a double chocolate in there for me?
There sure is.
All right. Yeah,
Always.
What's up? Good to see you.
All right, let's check on the GTR, shall we? So I wanted to ask Jordan. Jordan, we have a GTR Nismo right here. What is the difference between this and the one we're building?
Basically everything. Yeah, I mean, it's gonna have a fully built trans. Compared to the Nismo, I mean, it's got a full rotating assembly for the motor, way bigger turbos, intake manifold, different fuel system. Like literally nothing's gonna be the same minus the chassis itself. So everything powertrain related is gonna be way more capable than the Nismo.
So it wasn't even like if we wanted to buy a Nismo and do all that, it wouldn't have even mattered.
The only thing is the Nismo is way lighter in stock form. It's the hood's carbon, the fenders are carbon, the bumper cover's carbon, trunk, roof, but that's really it.
This car's gonna get blown up in the first.
Oh
week.
yeah. Oh no, that's
First,
crazy.
first week of owning it, it's gonna get blown up.
We know. It'll be back.
Because of the 4 feet exhaust.
That rack right there is its new home.
Yeah.
No, the reason it's gonna blow up is because Steve is gonna be the one owning it.
I wish he was joking, but like that's actually the reality.
yeah,
And this is your fault too, because we literally only bought this car because of our TikTok comments. That's the only reason.
Let's do the backstory on this. So we wanted a JDM car, Steve wanted an NSX, and we said GTR. So we said R34 or R33. Steve promptly went to go buy an R35 after everyone on TikTok said get a GTR.
With nobody knowing except for him.
Bailey and Ooch had to go pick it up from Philadelphia, but it showed up, and we were just kind of like, what do we do with it?
Yeah, it was really slow. Like Steve drove it one time and he's like, never again. And then we're like, well, you guys wanted us to buy it. What are we gonna do with it? So someone commented, it was whatever comment got the most likes. Someone said 2,000 horsepower. So there it is.
There it is.
Not only did we come here for a GTR update, but we came here to drop the LT off to get an exhaust, because we didn't even tell them what we're doing yet. We're doing a tune, a full exhaust. How much power is that car gonna make?
Oh, it should make mid 800s.
Compared
I
to
would
the
say.
720.
It'll be about the same on 92 octane.
But it's lighter,
Well, yeah,
better
it'll be quicker.
trans,
but
right?
it's-
Or no,
yeah,
the fuel-
it's got
the fuel
nothing to do with
injection
what we're
system.
doing though.
Got it.
Yeah,
But
no,
it's just a better car.
Yeah, 100%. It's gonna be quicker in every way because the gearing's a little better for getting off the line.
How are you guys gonna make it shoot 4-foot flames? I'm genuinely curious, because
Make
that
what?
wasn't shoot
The
4-foot
GTR?
flames.
The GTR?
Yeah.
That's up to the tuner. If he wants to do it, cool. But I don't know. He's got to work his magic to get that done.
I want Thanksgiving dinner served on that wing from that engine.
Ooh. Wow. Ah, that's nice. That's hot.
Damn.
So
That do be a tip.
So he's gonna be the black. I think black tips is what you guys went for, right?
Yeah, did we
I
went
love
with
black
matte or gloss? We went with a matte, right? Whatever
Yeah.
they normally do.
Here, unwrap it.
Could I pop it open?
Yeah.
There we go. Tips out. So it's gonna look like this. This is the engine.
Why'd you
it's
do
gonna
it
go
like
like that.
Mm-hmm. Why holding it
He
like that?
grabs
And that's
it.
gonna shoot. And then it's gonna shoot flames like that. So
4-inch
if this is the
flames.
engine, it's gonna sit like this.
3 inch.
How much is just that
That's
piece?
gorgeous.
Like that itself.
Like if you were to buy just this.
I think the rear exhaust section. That's like the rear exhaust section. The downpipes go into that. I think it's like $4,800, something like that.
You can buy a RAV4 for that
That's
price.
crazy. So you can buy 2 RAV4s of that. My bad. Mind breaking these parts down for the viewers that haven't seen a McLaren exhaust.
So basically, this is the furthest back most part of the exhaust. So the tips will slide onto here. You guys opted for the matte black tips. So we'll have each one of these like that. And then the downpipes. You have 3.5-inch catless downpipes. So it'll make a lot more noise, a lot more higher flowing exhaust, make more power, and it'll be better for flames on downshifts, upshifts, and when you let off the gas and do pops and bangs. So yeah, basically the best exhaust you can get for this car. Handmade by Unobtainium. Good people, they always fit well. Reliable parts, so.
That's the same exhaust that we had on Steve's old 720 and his current Senna is on Unobtainium.
Yeah, exactly. So it's good stuff. There's a lot of cheap exhausts out there that fail, like we've seen in the past.
So how much
Yeah.
is this setup?
I think it's like 11 or 12 grand.
Just the exhaust and the tune is more expensive to get everything dialed in, right?
Tune is $5,500, and then the rolling anti-lag is extra $400. So
How much does that weigh? Is it heavy?
I haven't been to the gym in a while, but this ain't heavy, baby girl. Try this. One hand, everyone. One hand.
It is. That's like, it feels like it's like literally 6 or 7 pounds maybe. This will naturally turn blue with heat while we're driving the car.
yeah, the
Blend
blue
together.
the blue will get less like deep.
You guys built Steve's R8, and that car has a center exit exhaust. And when we got that car, just the tips were blue to match the Maritime blue. And then while I've been driving it, the whole exhaust is blue now, which is kind of dope.
Get her in there, Tommy.
I want flames out to here. Okay, I think that's it. So this car should be ready right in the next couple weeks. GTR next couple months. We're just waiting on the motor.
Yeah.
And then we'll have 2 fast cars.
That
What do
will
you think?
blow up in the span of like 2
They'll
weeks.
probably both blow up at some point with the way Steve grabs them.
Not out of the realm. Yep.
We got walkie-talkies.
Let's walk you out of here, y'all.
Right over and out. The LT made it to its new home for the next 2 weeks. Cannonball is going to make it fast. I'm very excited to hear this thing because the Senna sounded insane after Cannonball did the exhaust on it. This will be crazy.
I'm excited for the GTR.
I'm not. On that note, like, comment, subscribe. We appreciate you guys. Hopefully we'll do a fun video of this thing when it's finished and all rowdy. You guys check it out. It'll be fun.
Driving the GTR off a cliff.
I guess that Tesla video. We'll put wings in the GTR and just launch it.
We'll see you on the next
All
one, guys. See ya. Arnie, close your eyes.
Why are you
Bottle
bottle serving?
service! You think this is gonna fit?
That's what
That's
she
what
said.
she said.